Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Bitso for Latin American crypto trading. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Bitso website. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Read the terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Next, verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, log into your account with your email and password. You will be prompted to verify your identity. Prepare a valid identification document such as a passport or national ID. Follow the instructions to upload your document clearly. Wait for the verification process to complete, which may take some time. Once verified, navigate to the wallet section on your dashboard. Here you can see different cryptocurrencies available for trading. Choose the currency you wish to deposit into your account. Click on the deposit button next to the selected cryptocurrency. Copy the provided wallet address or scan the QR code. Use this address to transfer funds from your external wallet. After your deposit is confirmed, go to the market section. Browse for available cryptocurrency pairs suitable for trading. Select the pair you are interested in, such as Bitcoin to Mexican peso. Review the price chart and trading volume for insights. Decide whether to buy or sell based on your trading strategy. Click on Buy or Sell and enter the desired amount. Double-check all order details before confirming the transaction. Once you confirm, monitor your trades in the Orders section. If you want to withdraw, go back to the Wallet section. Click on Withdraw next to the cryptocurrency you want to take out. Enter the receiving wallet address and the amount to withdraw. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.